yila esamshiya khona.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video. So Mr. Mhlongo finally decided to go back to Paris, where he and ex-husband Mohale Motaung logged their love. You guys, there's actually a place somewhere in Paris where you go with a log, two logs for you, one for you and one for your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or girlfriend, and you seal your love to prove that you're gonna be there together, you guys. And Somizi and Mohale, we saw them doing that on their reality TV show back then, before they got married. They went to Paris, whereby they logged their love. You guys, now Somizi did this video, you guys, where he jokingly said that he was going to unlock whatever had been done there. You guys, now people were saying that, of course, that what they did was a covenant. It was a tie, soul tie. Yes, that's the word. That it was a soul tie. And Somizi went there with a flower, and he claimed that flower is a traditional flower to go and undo whatever evil voodoo soul tie covenant that has been done there, you guys. He went there with a flower, saying, of course, that he breaks that tie. People were saying that, does he really mean what he means to go to a sangoma to get that flower? Because it has been said, like, when a person died on the streets, you use that very same flower to prick that person's spirit, traditionally. So, you guys, if you're a traditional person using African spirituality, people are saying that is the flower that Somizi did. They're saying that he's actually gone there to undo that covenant, that soul tie that he and Mohale had done. What do you guys think about this? Please engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, do like this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely, and I will surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord just continue to bless you all. Bye.